Call Me Now button. Make it easy for clients to text and communicate with you. Embed on your website InterNACHI's free Call Me Now button. And that's at nachi.org/call_button. And here's what it looks like on my beninspections.com website. So here's my homepage, got my hero image there, got my CPI, you found the best inspector, this value proposition, and got some pictures, got some video. That's awesome. I go to schedule now, and there's a Call Me Now button. There's a schedule embed code. That's Spectora. And I just got the embed code and I asked my designer to embed it on my schedule now page. So now people can call me, they can use InterNACHI's Call Me Now button. They use this and then then my phone rings essentially. And it's the person visiting my website, clicking the Call Me Now button. It's amazing. The logo, InterNACHI's marketing team designed my logo. Website, best site for you. InterNACHI's official vendor for website designs.